Did you know you physically can't sneeze with your eyes open? Yep, no matter how hard you try, your eyes will shut automatically. But here's the thing, it's not because your eyes would pop out.
Why is Chubby?
That's just a myth from cartoons. It's actually a natural reflex. When you sneeze, your body triggers a protective response to close your eyes, just like when something suddenly flies toward your face. It's your brain looking out for you, literally. Cool, right? Follow for more weird facts your body never told you about.